You know, it's also nice to see our weather changing, because Craig
That is
always
the truth.
accuses me of complaining about our weather. Me complain?
There's two seasons in South Florida. There's most of the year when Elliot complains, and then there's this season where Elliot doesn't complain. It's beautiful out there. Going to be even better. Finally, some less hot temperatures. I hate to say cooler because it's going to be a little bit cooler. Here's our Windjammer resort camera this afternoon, looking good. The kite surfers out there and folks enjoying the beach this afternoon on the pleasant temperatures. But as we go forward in time here, eventually we're going to pull in some showers from time to time. 79 right now in Miami, 78 Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, and 78 in Key West. Sickness scales down. It's a 3. We're probably going to head to a 1 or a 0 in the coming days, especially for tomorrow. 64% humidity, a north-northeast breeze gusting up to 25. Temperatures right now, everybody is in the 70s to low 80s, and relatively cooler from the north to south because that's where our temperature drop is coming from. Humidity is also not too bad this afternoon, in the 60 to 70% range. They're even going to be lower during the day tomorrow. There's the north-northeast breeze now following the passage of the cold front, anywhere from 15 to 21 miles an hour. We've seen wind gusts up to 30 miles an hour, and that's going to be the problem in the coming days. It's going to be pretty windy despite the pleasant temperatures, and eventually those winds are going to pull in a few showers. We saw some showers come through this morning on the cold front that slid on through nicely during the afternoon. Bigger picture, not too much going on. North Florida sunny, Central Florida sunny, and eventually we're going to see some clouds developing out here as that northeast wind over a pretty long stretch of water there does pick up moisture. That's the downside of living on the ocean, is that anytime the wind is blowing pretty hard off the water, it eventually acquires some moisture and some showers. There is Tropical Storm Iota tonight in Central America. Unfortunately, as we mentioned, a big flood event now. And there's one little disturbance that is moving towards the southern Caribbean, but development conditions are not favorable for development, so only a low development potential there. We don't need anything else down there. In terms of temperatures across the country, it's warmed up through the middle of the nation. It's 72 right now in Denver, very comfortable, but cold air spilling down through the Ohio Valley, eventually into the Northeast as well. Temperatures in the 30s and 40s, 60 right now in Atlanta. It's part of that cool air that's spilling all the way down to Florida, and eventually later tonight it's going to feel a little bit better. Southwest, it's warm. Phoenix right now with a warm spot at 91 degrees. And this is the time of year when I get to pull out the 2 temperature overnight low forecast, because it is in fact going to be cooler inland, cooler and drier for everybody tonight. Breezy along the beaches, along the coast, low 70s, inland areas in the mid to upper 60s. For tomorrow, a good deal of sunshine, fairly breezy, and even some gusty winds from time to time. Northeast is 15 to 25, temperature high near 78 degrees. On the water, it's going to be rough out there with northeast breeze, 25 knots, seas up to 10 feet in the Gulf Stream, very choppy on the bays, and taking us through the rest of the week. Well, it's going to stay nice temperature-wise, but eventually that breeze is going to bring in some showers, basically Thursday right into Saturday. Back to you.